Keeping everything organized is the first step towards a thriving community. And FluentCommunity's topic management feature allows you to do that effortlessly. This interesting feature helps you segment posts, keeping them neat and easily accessible for your community members. To organize your topics the way you want, go to Settings, and in the left sidebar, you can easily spot the Manage Topics. It's a premium feature, so in case you're using the free version, you need to upgrade your plans. Well, let's take a look at what's hiding in the settings. Here, you can adjust how many topics a user can select when creating a post. If you have a community that includes people from various professions or interests, you may need more topics to cover everyone's requirements. You have full control to set the number to whatever works best for you. Another useful feature is displaying topics on the postcard itself, making it more intuitive for your community. Let me enable it and update the changes. With the settings all in place, let's move on to adding a new topic to the community. Simply select a new topic, and a tab will pop up to enter the necessary details to create it. Start by entering the topic title, followed by a slug and a subtitle that will be visible under the title during post creation. If you're managing multiple space groups, you can select all of them or just the ones that best match your topic. Here comes another cool feature: topic selection. It lets you give permission to your community members to pick topics when posting, or keep it only for admins and moderators. With a quick tick, you can decide who's in charge. Once you're done with the settings, make sure to hit save, and the topic will be saved successfully. And if you ever need to edit or delete any topics, it's also simple to do. Now, it's time to see how this can make my community more organized. Let's go to the space in which I have added the topic, and look! It's waving hello from the top bar. Since I just added it, there are no posts under it yet. But stay tuned, it's about to change. Let me show you how easy it is to create a post on this topic. Simply write your post, select the relevant topic, and click post. It's that simple. From now on, when any community member shares a post, they can tag it with the relevant topic. This ensures everything stays organized and members can easily find the content they need. Simple, strategic, and seamless. That's how FluentCommunity's top management feature helps you organize posts with ease, all in one place. So, if you're looking for an easy way to boost engagement and ensure your community's content stays in sync, FluentCommunity is a plugin you need. Grab it now and take your community to the next level.